Hello friends, welcome back to blog project in Laravel 10. Last video I will show you how to make a user list. Suppose you are going to user list, so you can see it user list. In this video I can do like a add user, edit user and delete users. Because last video just we have shot out like a add users with we have make like here like a pagination, and we need to show here like inside database whatever entry there inside our users tables we ever show. Okay, so in this video I can continue like add new user, edit and delete users. And I have one request: you are new inside error solution, otherwise in this series, otherwise in this blog, means in this channel, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever video I will upload, so you always get the notification and you can learn something new every day. Okay, so I hope you can already done now subscription and bell icons. Okay, now we need to do like a add new, I will press, so we need to create a new routes, edit I will click, so we need to create a new routes, and delete also I can do, so create a new routes. So first of all we need to create inside a routes. So open your project and you need to go to resources, views, inside like backend, inside users, inside you can see it like a list.blade.php. So here we did like buttons last video, but we are not write any code. So simple you can write here like a code url users url. So our url you need to write, so what is the url panel users ads, because users we need a like a always here, because we need to make an active class here. But is I think next video we can explain once we can add a like more or three menu after I can explain, because right now one video one menu, so how I can explain this reason I am leaving this one. Okay, so how we can do it this one. So do you want to know how to do, so you can do it, no issue. Now this is the url for ads, and just go down below, so you can add like here is also url like edit and deletes. So here you can make like edits, and also you can make it here like a deletes. Okay, so just slash slash, and also you need to provide your id. But right now I have not done, just I doing like a id, like whatever id do you want to users, I mean whatever user do you want to edit, so this id we need to pass here. So it's very simple and very easy, like also here. So delete time and edit time, I think this video I will make like a confirmation, are you sure you want to delete, after you can click on the ok, so you need to delete like this we can do here. So don't worry, I will show you. So right now it's done, so let's remove this one, we don't need. Okay, let's go back again and refresh the page, and I will click on the add new. Once I will click on the add new, so you can see it like 404 not found. Okay, so we need to create a now route. So panel users ads, so just go to routes, inside you need to go to web, and inside you need to create a new one. So simple, you can copy and paste above one, and you can change like a routes user controller inside add. Okay, like a add user you can type, because we know okay this is the for add users, so just you can type like a add users. Now you can go to users controller, http controller, inside users controller, so just you can create a function add users. Future I need to use like a request, this reason I automatically declare here request. And also we need to redirect back whatever we need to do, like here backend add, like a backend inside users, inside we need to create a new file like a ads. So just go to resources, inside view, inside go to like a backend, inside you can see it like users folder, inside we need to create a like a add file. So simple way you can just create. Okay, so file successfully created. But now we need to write new HTML code. Suppose I can copy for list code, so I just paste here, no issue, and I just remove all part here. Okay, and let's go back again and we can refresh the page, so we can see it. So you can see it like a file is open for the add one, like users ads. Here is a blank file, like only we have declared like a header, footer and sidebar. So here we need to write our code, same like inside list there, like this we need to write here code. So we need to open our admin panel themes, means a nice admin themes. So inside you can go, we need to check which form we need to use here. So I think we can go to form elements. So whatever do you want to, like you can go, I think general form there, form layouts there, and form editor there, and form elements there. Like a professional anything, from validation I don't need validation, form elements, so here different elements there, form layouts here there, so different layouts there, and form editor. So here editor there, we don't need editors, so I think we can use like a form layouts. Okay, so let's open this file, form layout.html. After we can make it like a full, and we don't want to use this one, so just we can like add new user like this here. So it's very simple and very easy. So here there is a form layouts, just drag and drop here, and I can open inside my code. So just you need to search like section is equal to class section. Okay, you can search here, so automatic you can go into here. So just you can copy like this, you can just copy and paste inside our add file. Okay, so what I did, first go to list file, we already there, I was search for this name, so we have find out here name, you can see it, and I just copy and I paste inside a add.blade.php files. Okay, let's go back again, we can refresh the page so we can check how it's look show. So just go back again, refresh the page, and here you can see it like a form. Okay, I like it this form, vertical form, here name, email, password. I don't want to like this. So do you want to, whatever do you want to like, you can do it your end. I like it first one, so I am doing this one. Okay, so it's very simple. This is the 6 card there, so I don't want to use like the 6 cards, I just remove, no any issue. I just go back again, refresh the page, so is this part I have removed. Now available vertical and floating like this form available. So we don't want to use like a other form, like a, you can minimize like cards, means a card, so you can see it like a 3 or 4 card there, just remove 2 cards also. And also you can provide like a lg is equal to 12, let's make a 6 after I can show you. Okay, we have already removed like bottom one, you can see it. Okay, so now we can provide like a 12, so I made a here 12, and I just go back again and I refresh the page, so you can see it, name, email, password. Here we can change the title like add new users. So just open this one and you can put like a here title add new user. Okay, so this is the done, and I save these files and I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it, add new user. Here is the name, email and password. Let's go to users list, so you can see name, email, and email verified status and created dates. Okay, so we need to put here like name, email, password and status. Suppose future we need to add more functionality, so we can add, but right now we are using like a simple one, so we can do it simple way. So just you can use like here's the name, emails, passwords, and we can remove the here like a address we don't need, and we don't need a, like a center, so just remove this class also. Here you can make like a class called 12, same like here there, like this class I have made here, and we don't need a reset button, so also you can remove the reset buttons. Okay, so everything is good. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see name, email, password. I think this is the like blogging website multiple users, right? So we need to provide one username, so he can create a own username, but I will explain using register time to here. So let's make a next video how I can do it. Right now I can do it like a simple way, name, email and password and status. Okay, but this is the usables, I will explain later, so don't worry about that. Just you can copy and paste. Here you can make like a status, and here you can make like select box, and here you can make like class form control. Here you can do it like options, like a value we can make like 1 means active, I already explained last time, suppose you are following this series so you can understand, and 0 means the inactive. So by default is the active, always choose. Suppose you need to make like a change, so you can change. Okay, and password also always required, because we need to know about what's the password you need to type. And here I also make like a name is equal to password, and also we can type like name is equal to email, and also I make a requires variable, because always need a requires. And also we can put here name is equal to name, and here I can put like a requires variables. Okay, so this is the done, and here I can make like a action. So same URL, I don't want to go other URL, this is the blank, I already explained. Whatever URL here there like this one, we need to convert inside post method, so I can show you how we can do it. And also we need to type here like a crf token. So let's go to authentication inside any files, and I just copy very quick. I don't want to type this reason like a CRF field tokens. Okay, so it's very easy. Now this is the URL we have made a blank, like a action we have typed here blank. So what we can do, just go to web files and you can copy and paste here and change here like a get to post method, and this is the URL we have do same. And here you can make like a new function, insert users. Whatever do you want to like, you can do it your end. I just like a insert users, so I am doing like this is the your over name. Okay, after you can go to like controller, like user controller, because we have type here like a users controller here. So user controller inside we need to do it proper ways, like means a proper way means is a user controller works. So just you can do it insert users, and here we can make like a request and dollar request, and just I can make dd, and I can put like a request all. Okay, so let's go back again and we can check is work not work. I am typing always testing data because the testing work. I don't want to type like a real data, so I type test1 at gmail.com, password 123456 and active. I just click on the submit buttons. So let's see is working not working. It is working very well. You can see name, email, password and status I have get. So we need to store inside database like here. Okay, so let's do now. So it's very simple way. We already did inside register time. Suppose you are follow this series, so you can see it here. Just type like save is equal to new users, and here we can do it like a name is equal to trim function. I'm always use trim function. This reason we have made any space, so automatic we are removing like a spacing this reasons. And here we can copy paste, so I can do it quick. Name email, so same thing we can do it like a name email, and after we are there is a password, so here also make password, and here I can make like a hash make, and we don't need to use trim function because sometimes the password inside he can make a space, so it's dependency. So just remove the password inside function. Here you can declare like use hash because we need to declare here. Okay, so you can see it all same like we have declared, same like we have did like a hash. Now name email password, and last one is the remaining like a status. Okay, after we need to save, so just you can save, and after once you can save, so his database inside is creating new entry, and we need to return redirect panel users, I think panel users slash list, and with we need to type one message with success user successfully created. Okay, now is a you can see it like here is a like another column there like email verified. So you are creating account but you are not sending the email because of I don't want to send here email. Once this user trying to log in, so we are automatic sending the email, verify your email because we have already done. So what do you want to see, so I can show you. Suppose auth controller inside going to like a post reset there, here forget password there, auth login. So we are checking he's not empty. Suppose the empty, so it's going to else part and we are sending the email. Please first you can verify your email address and after you can use your account. So we have already done code here, so why we need to send here email, so we don't want to send his email, just we can send the credential and he can use his data. Okay, but this is like impossible to you can add like admin side, but is the future do you want to use, this reason I have did here. Okay, user successfully created, and I think we need to make here like a validation, but I will explain next video how to make validation. In this video my focus add, edit and deletes. Okay, list we already done, so just press Ctrl F5 and resend data. So it's not taking time and is a created successfully. You can see it 9 number, and today you can see it like a 9, and also status is equal to active, otherwise verified, inactive verified you can type, otherwise active type, whatever do you want to like you can do it. Let's make a active, I don't want to use a verified, so active and inactive. So let's make a active and inactive. Okay, so this is the already active and you can see it here. I will change the name active and inactive. Okay, now add one is done, but you can't see it here is a message. So what we can do, just go to any file inside login one, and we have already did like a include like a layout message, because inside I have done all messages. So just close, and you can put inside here, and we can try is working not working, because you can see it inside layouts. Like here is a backends, so I don't want to go here. You can see it like a layout file. Inside you can see it message file. We have already done like all message, success message, error message, payment error message. Now I have automatic declare here include layout message, because I already write inside layout inside message. You can see it now. I already show you the message like a success, error, payment error, warning, info, secondary, primary, and lights. Okay, so let's try again. It's working not working. So just click on the add new. Here I going to type like a test2 @gmail.com, and I can make password 123456 and status is equal to active. I click on the submit now. So here you can see it user successfully created, but it's a look like not professional message. Message professional, but it's like a layout is not good. So we can check again, and we can go back, and we need to put inside a above card here. Okay, so this is the work very well, no issue now. Okay, let's do now is another thing about the edit one, like other thing we have done. So remaining now edit and delete. Add one is done. So just click on the edits. So we need to create a new routes, because of we have already provided like a two routes, edit and delete. So simple, just go to web.php. Inside you need to create a edit. This is the very easy and very easy way you can do it. So please carefully watch what I am doing. Okay, and here you can type like edits, and here we need to pass like our id, whatever user do you want to edit, and here you can do it like a edit users. Same thing we need to use post method, because I am also make it like a blank action. So here you can change like a update users. So don't worry, I just created two routes, one is a get, one is a post. Okay, it's very easy. Now need to go to user controller. User controller inside we need to create a new function like a edit users. So simple, you can go, and here you can type like functions. Here you can do it like edit users, like IDs, and just you can copy like add one, you can put here, and here you can change the file like edits. Okay, so first of all we need to get the data for the edit time. So just you can make data get records users get single. Suppose this function is not created, so we can create this function. Okay, and here we can pass like a id, whatever user we are editing. So let's go to users controller, means users model. Inside we can check we have created this function, so we have already done this function, return find id, means whatever parameter you are passing, this is the we have returns. Okay, so this is the done, no issue. So just pass here like inside a view file data. I know some video you can see it here is doing the compact like this, you can also pass, but I like it like a simple way and easy to clean way, you can understand this reason. Otherwise you can do is a compact, and you can pass the inside view file. This is the method also available, but I am always using the data, because I don't want to make like a bigger size here like inside view file. So it's better we can create a one data variables. Inside we can pass like one array inside a get records. Okay, so whatever do you want to like, you can do it. I just told you now. Now I can do edit.blade.php inside a users list. So just create file. After is a very simple, just go to add one, add file, and copy, and after you can put inside a edits, and here you can change like add user to edit users. Okay, let's go back again so you can see it. I just refresh the page, so it's working very well. You can see it edit users, and also you can see name, email, passwords. But here we need to make a password is a blank. Suppose do you want to change, so we can change it. So I just type is equal to text now. Okay, now we need to show here like a value, like get records, because we have passed like a get records variable. You can see it here, get records. Just copy and paste, so we can do it quick. Is equal to name. Same thing we can do it like a passwords, sorry, emails, not passwords. And here I will write one tags like a p tag inside, and I can remove the required variable. Do you want to change password, so please enter. Do you want to change password, so please fill password field, password input box, password input box. Whatever do you want to, like, you can type your way. I just type a one message. Do you want to change password? So you fill, so please fill password input box. Okay, so automatic change the password. Here we can make like whatever field there. This is the active inactive. So simple way, like status is equal to 1, and here I can make like a selected, and also is a 0 means is a inactive selected. Okay, let's go back again and refresh the page so we can check is working not working. Okay, so it's done now. Let's go refresh the page so you can see it like error generated, so we can short out. So don't worry, I think taking time, so 100% is just some error there, undefined variable get records. So let's go back again and go to users model, user controller. But why is showing? Because we have not saved these files, otherwise you are saved these files, so impossible generate the issue. So all issue generated, so we can solve the issue. This is our goal, and you can check, do you want to change the file? So please fill the input box. So this is the also working very well. Let's go to inspect element, and we can remove the margin bottom 0, and we can make like margin top 2px, 3px, 4, 5px, and font size we can make like a small, like this 14. Okay, 30, 40, whatever do you want to, like, you can make it like a list. Inside I just go to edits and I can paste here, you can see it. Let's make it 40, so look like professional. Okay, margin bottom 0, margin top 5px, and font size is equal to 40. So let's go back again, refresh the page so you can see it here. Do you want to change password? So please fill password input box. Okay, and here is the active button. So let's save this file, means update, otherwise submit. Here is the submit button, you click on, so we need to update this data. So simple way, just go to again to action URL. Here is a blank, so same thing we did like add time, same thing we did in the post time. I already done, so just we need to create inside a users controller. So function, I already get ID, so ID, and here I can make like a request dollar request. This is the ID we have already passed inside a action, you can see it blank. Okay, now we need to copy like above one and just paste here. It's very simple, very easy. And here you can make like a get single inside into pass like a dollar ID. Okay, so it's done. Now we need to make here condition. Suppose the password is not blank, so going to inside and he can change his password. Suppose password is available, so he's going to inside. Suppose password not available, so it's not going to inside. Very simple condition. Now we need to change user successfully created, so user successfully updated. Okay, so let's go back and we can check now. Just refresh the page and I can make like test 2525 and just press the enter, so you can see it user successfully updated. Let me make a proper message because it look like still not proper. Let's go to again list and we can, this is the, let's make outside of cards here and edit and click on the update again, so we can check it how it show the message like list. Now is a professional user successfully updated. Okay, so you can make your message like outside of cards, like above cards. Okay, so this is the done. Now add done, edit done. Now is the remaining about like a delete one. So are you sure you want to delete? In jQuery you can type like this message and you can go to first links. So here is a there like on click, I can show you, don't worry, I will copy for your code and after I can show you here. So just you can type like this, on click return confirm, and here you can type your message. Are you sure you want to delete records? Otherwise you want to delete users, whatever you want to, like on click return confirm. Are you sure you want to delete? Otherwise you need to delete records, and just you can save and just you can go back again and refresh the page. So you are click on the delete button, so it's not deleting, he is asking the message, are you sure you want to delete records? You can click cancel, so not delete. Suppose you can press like okay, so it's go, and here we need to create a new routes and we need to delete. So let's go to users column, and we have already made like a one column like a is delete inside last video. So once I will make here 1, so is the meaning about this record is that deleted. So let's see, and I can show you proper way. Okay, so let's go to back, and we need to create a new accounts, sorry, not a new accounts, new routes. And just you can put like a post method, you can copy like a edit ones, and you can change here like a delete users. Okay, it's very simple and very easy way. Just go to user controller, inside we need to create a new function, and here you can pass like a id. So just you need to go to up, and you can copy for this one. Okay, and here you can